Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish masala powder. First, gather your whole spices. You'll need about 1 cup of coriander seeds, 1/4 cup of cumin seeds, and 2 tablespoons of black peppercorns. Don't forget about 10 to 12 dried red chilies, 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds, and a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Having fresh, high-quality spices is crucial for a truly aromatic and flavorful masala. Next, we'll dry roast our whole spices. Heat a pan over medium-low heat and roast each spice separately. This ensures even roasting and prevents burning. Stir constantly for about 2 to 3 minutes until they become fragrant and slightly change color. Once roasted, spread them out on a plate to cool down completely. This step is vital for developing deep, complex flavors in your masala. Now it's time to grind our spices into a fine powder. Once all the roasted spices are completely cool, combine them in a dry grinder or a powerful blender. Add the turmeric powder at this stage. Grind in short bursts to prevent overheating until you achieve a very fine, smooth consistency. The goal is a uniform powder without any large pieces, ensuring even distribution of flavor in your fish dishes. Finally, let's talk about storing your freshly made fish masala powder. Transfer the powder to a clean, airtight container. A glass jar works wonderfully. Store it in a cool, dark pantry, away from direct sunlight and moisture. This helps preserve its aroma and potency. For the best flavor, try to use your homemade masala within 3 to 4 months. Enjoy your delicious, homemade fish dishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.